What is up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got the egg going. It's because we're going to be smoking some Wagyu short ribs, and we're going to make a Ragu sauce over some pasta. So stay tuned. So we have about 2 pounds of beef short ribs here from our good friends over at New England Wagyu. I mean, look at that beautiful marbling on the short ribs. Gorgeous. So what we're going to do is we're going to season this nicely with some Cubano seasoning from Lane's. We're going to smoke it over a stock pot, and we're going to make ourselves an awesome Ragu sauce using Wagyu short ribs. That's right, it's Wagyu Ragu. Let's go. All right, so we've seasoned all sides nicely with the Cubano seasoning. You may be asking yourself why I'm using that Cubano seasoning, not like an Italian seasoning if we're making an Italian dish. And to be honest, I absolutely love the taste of Lane's Cubano, but more importantly, not just a taste thing, but, well, it is a taste thing, but preference thing, but more importantly, it's going to be the saltiness and the sweetness, savoriness all mixed together that the Cubano seasoning offers. And it's going to add such a dynamic flavor to the Ragu. So highly recommend it. We're going to let it sit for a little bit, get up to room temperature, and then we're going to start smoking. All right, so to start, all we're doing is we're going to sear it in the pan inside first. So we're going to sear it real quick, get a nice sear on all, 5, 6 sides, 6 sides. And then we're going to smoke it over the top. All right, so we sliced up some garlic, some onions, and some carrots. We've got the fat in the bottom of the container here. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw the onions and carrots in, let those cook a little bit, and then we're going to throw the garlic in. Then we're going to move everything out to the smoker. So we added our garlic and 3 ounces of tomato paste. We're just going to mix this all up real nice. And then we're going to add a little bit of, or 2 cups of red wine, and we're going to get this thing smoking. We want the fat from this to drip right in, add extra loving and flavor. All right, so we threw some bay leaves in, some thyme, stewed tomatoes, and now we're on the egg. We're up to temperature, and we got the short ribs smoking on top. Let's close this bad boy down. All right, we're at about 175 degrees. Look how beautiful that meat looks. Incredible. Sauce is looking good. I'm gonna pull out the thyme and the bay leaf, drop the meat in. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna let it braise the rest of the way. All right, so our meat hit 205. We brought it inside. We shredded it. And it just absolutely fell apart. I mean, so good. We mixed everything together. There's a noodle in there because we made noodles as well. I dropped one in, but got the noodles. We're going to toss it in. We're going to coat everything together. We have a little extra pasta water that we're going to add in if we need to thin it out a little bit, but looking and smelling great. Added a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano. Boom, boom, boom. Looking good.